Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the equation which can describe the relationship between P and Q. Now if we look at the options, we have option C and D where P is directly added or subtracted from 0.9. So if we add P, that is 1, to 0.9, we get 1.9. If we subtract 1 from 0.9, 0.9 will get minus 0.1. So in both cases we cannot have this as an answer. So option C and D are cancelled. Let's look at option A first. So let's see, for option A to be true, 0.1 should be equal to 0.4 times P. Let's see, Q equal to minus 0.3. So let's check first case. We have 0.1 equal to 0.4 into 1 minus 0.3. So this will give us minus 0.4 minus 0.3 as 0.1. So we have LHS equal to RHS. Let's check for other three for P's. For P equal to 1, Q equal to 0.1. For P equal to 2, Q equal to 0.5, let's see. 0.5 equal to 0.4 into 2 minus 0.3. So this is going to be equal to 0.8 minus 0.3, which is 0.5. So we get LHS equal to RHS. For P equal to 3, Q equal to 0.9, we have 0.9 equal to 0.4 into 3 minus 0.3. 0.3. So this gives us 0.9 equal to 3 into 0.4 is 1.2 minus 0.3, which again gives us LHS equal to RHS. So for P equal to 4, Q equal to 1.3, we have 1.3 equal to 0.4 into 4 minus 0.3, which is 1.3 equal to, yes, 1.6 minus 0.3, which gives us LHS minus RHS. So we get in all four cases both sides equal, so answer is option A.